Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of LeetCode where I'm going to show you how you can link your X, formerly known as Twitter account, with your LeetCode account. This would be very helpful if someone have been, surfing over your LeetCode account and want to find your other socials as well. So all you need to do is this is the basic interface that appears once you log in your LeetCode account. Just simply go to this option, option on top right corner, which is your profile picture. When you tap it over here and this option, just simply tap on over your username and you will find the settings of your profile. Now here in this edit profile option, just simply the green option, just tap here, and once it gets loaded, the basic info section will appear right in front of you. And here in this section of X, formerly Twitter, you can paste your Twitter profile link, and once you do that and hit save changes, now your lead code is associated now with your Twitter account. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.